Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN, and this is a Noble's SS5 walk-behind battery-operated scrubber. In this video series, we're going to go through and show you common issues that you may run into with your machine. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a broken or a clogged filter. First, drop your squeegee assembly. Makes it easier to get to the filter bowl. Next, unscrew your filter bowl by turning clockwise and remove. If you have a clogged filter screen, pull the screen out of the filter bowl, clean it off, and just replace it back. Now, if your filter bowl is broken, damaged, or cracked, causing leakage, go ahead and replace your filter bowl. And all these parts are available at USACLEAN.com. Now, to install, just reverse the steps by turning the filter bowl counterclockwise. And making sure your filter bowl is hand tight and snug. You're done. We hope you enjoyed this video. Now, feel free to leave us a comment below or visit us on our website at USACLEAN.com, where you can purchase parts and equipment online. If you'd like us to do any other videos on any type of floor cleaning equipment, feel free to let us know. From all of us here at USACLEAN, thanks for watching.